Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to wash your car. Here's what you will need. Wheel and tire cleaner. This is by Armor All. Car wash. This is also by Armor All. What is this? Wash and wax. You'll need a bucket with water in it and a brush and a rag. Let's begin. To start off, you're gonna put your soap into your bucket of water. This has about 2 gallons of water in it, and the instructions say to put 1 ounce for every gallon. So it's a hot day today. So the first thing you're going to do is rinse your car off so that it cools down, and that way if you put soapy water on it, it won't have water spots. Okay, the next step is to take your brush, put it in the bucket with the soapy water, and then start scrubbing. You know, just get in there really well. And since it is also hot, once you're done scrubbing the car, you're gonna rinse off the soap as soon as possible so that way it doesn't leave spots. I'm rinsing it off now. Alright, so you're gonna do that same process on all sides of your car. And yeah, so side, top, windshield. Not the top?
Top first.
Oh, you start with the top of the car?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Well, I didn't start with the top of the car, but when you start washing your car, you start with the top of the car for future reference. And now, here, come closer, we have the gas cap. As you can see, I've already cleaned it, sorta. But before it was extremely grimy. Imagine this dirt back here all over the area. Kind of look at this door. Look at the door. Ugh. You're probably wondering how did... I'm saying, you gotta adjust your angle with sunburn. You're probably wondering, how does she clean in there? Well, that's where the rag comes into play. So you're gonna take your rag, put it in the soapy bucket of water, and you're just gonna, you know, get in there. You gotta really scrub. Since we haven't cleaned this in like who knows how many years, probably since we've had the car. There's some stains, so that's just not gonna go away, at least not with this regular soap. And then you get the door. Oh wow, look. It's clean, getting cleaner. I'm not gonna leave it like this, but this is just for an example. All right, so then I'm gonna show you how to clean the inside of your car, the doors. So as you can see, you got all this dirt and grime in here all along the sides, but I'm not gonna use the brush this time. I'm gonna use the rag once again. And all I'm gonna do is take the rag and just drag it along. Wow, look at that dirt. Look at the dirt. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that all along the sides of the door, and then I'm gonna rinse it off with low pressure water. For example, full pressure, low pressure. And then, let me do that right now. So like, oops, my bad. All right. And now we're going to clean the tires. I will be using this Armor All wheel and tire cleaner, and the instructions say to clean 1 wheel and tire at a time, so don't go and spray it on all the tires at once. Wear eye protection and rubber gloves. Skip step 1. And you're gonna wet the cool wheel with water or you're gonna wet the wheel with water so it cools down, and then you're gonna hold the bottle 6 inches away from the wheel and tire. So that's like this far. It's like this far. This far. Like this far away from the car. And then you're gonna allow the foam to penetrate the wheel for 30 seconds. And then you're gonna wipe with a soft cloth or sponge. And then you're gonna rinse it with water. And dry with a towel? Do you have to do that? Oh, to prevent with water spots? You can if you want. I'm gonna drive my car around so it dries with the air. Step 1. Rinse the wheel. Alright, it's cooled down now. Hold the bottle 6 inches away. Is this open? Oh, okay. You're gonna spray it all over the tire. It's locked. Unlock. Unlock. Ah! It's on me. Ah! Alright, anyways. Okay. Alright, unlock the bottle. And then hold the bottle 6 inches away. And spray all over the tire.
Not the wheel, not the brake pad. It's fine. Just the silver, the wheel.
The rim?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Just the rim.
Oh, spray more on the tire itself, actually.
Oh.
All around the tire.
That's so cool.
But you spread out your sprays so you don't. There you go. Okay.
Look at that. You can come closer. Come closer. You can see the dirt starting to dissolve off the wheel. Thanks, Tire Shine. Or what is this? Thanks, Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Ding. All right. We have a new tool that has magically appeared since we've been here. This is a little brush that gets into the tire really well. So you're just gonna take the brush.
Wet it.
You're gonna wet it. And then you're just gonna scrub the tire. How do you clean the brake pad?
You don't. When you drive, it scrapes the surface right off of it.
This is my dad. He's gonna explain the whole tire thing a little bit more in detail.
So when you're cleaning the tire, there's a couple of areas you want to look out for, right? So this is the easy part. It's nice and wide. You can go pretty fast here, but you want to watch out in these corners. That's where a lot of dust tends to accumulate. And you tend to miss it. And in all those tight spaces there, you want to put a little bit more attention in those spaces, just like you did when you actually clean the tire itself. You can go pretty fast. Just go with the tire and with a back and forth motion, like so. Right, to kind of get that dirt off the tire. And so there you have it. That's it.
Cool.
All right.
Thanks, Father.
Sure.